That nagging pain in your shin isn't a tight muscle. It is your bone actually bending and beginning to crack with every single step you take. We call it medial tibial stress syndrome. When you land, your tibia physically bows, overloaded, and the bone enters a catabolic state, eating itself faster than it repairs. But here is the scary reality nobody explains. Shin splints are just the first stop on a one-way train to a snapped leg. You are literally standing on a timeline of destruction. Who breaks first? It's not just about running form. If you have low energy availability, meaning you aren't eating enough to fuel bone repair, your risk skyrockets regardless of your shoes. So stop icing it. Ice numbs pain but doesn't fuse bone. And stop aggressively stretching your calves. Pulling on the insertion point just irritates the periosteum further. How do you know if it's too late? Try the single leg hop test. Hop 10 times. Sharp focal pain? Stop immediately. You likely have a fracture and need a doctor, not a foam roller. The solution is relative rest. You must offload the tibia to stop the bowing. Maintain fitness with non-impact work until you can walk pain-free. Only then do you slowly reintroduce impact. Respect the bone, or it will make you respect it.